The secret technique of top students. In the competitive world of academia, top students often seem to possess an elusive edge that sets them apart from their peers. This document explores the secret techniques employed by these high achievers, light on their study habits, time management skills, and mindset that contribute to their success. By understanding and adopting these strategies, any student can enhance their academic performance and achieve their goals. Effective study habits. One of the primary techniques of top students is their approach to studying. They often employ active learning strategies, such as summarization. After reading a chapter or attending a lecture, they summarize the key points in their own words. This reinforces understanding and retention. Self-testing. Regularly testing themselves on the material helps to identify gaps in knowledge and reinforces learning. Spaced repetition. Instead of cramming, they review material over spaced intervals, which has been shown to improve long-term retention. Time management skills. Top students are masters of time management. They often utilize the following strategies. Prioritization. They prioritize tasks based on deadlines and importance, ensuring that they focus on what truly matters. Time blocking. Allocating specific blocks of time for studying, assignments, and breaks helps them maintain focus and avoid goal setting. Setting short-term and long-term goals provides direction and motivation, allowing them to track their progress effectively. Conclusion. The secret techniques of top students are not inherently mysterious. They are grounded in effective study habits, strong time management skills, and a positive mindset. By adopting these strategies, any student can enhance their academic. Subscribe this channel for more related videos.